Hey, how's it going? It's me, Mario, and in this quick demo video, I'm going to show you our brand new app, but more importantly, I'm going to show you the difference between a 360 virtual tour and a 360 virtual tour interactive video. And there's a big difference, and you're going to love it because we are the only ones offering this feature on JVZoo, okay? So here on the screen, you can see two different versions. The first one is a typical 360 virtual tour. I'm sure you're aware with them. After all, we are the first ones who brought 360 virtual tours to our market space, right? Below that is the 360 virtual tour interactive video. I'm going to show you the difference right now, and then I'm going to show you a demo of how easy it is to create interactive videos with our technology, right? Now, the first one here is a typical virtual tour the way you are used to, right? So if I'm the prospect right now, I'm on a website checking this out, right? And I'm not a technical person, I'm gonna struggle with this. I have to click around, I have to look up and down. There's all these buttons here and calls to actions, which I don't know what they mean. I have to click on them and figure them out. And who has the time to do that, right? Then if I wanna go to the next room, I have to figure out which call to action is actually the one that takes me to the next room. I'm gonna click on this right now, and it's gonna take me to the next room. And here I'm in the next room, and now you can see there's more buttons that I need to click on, right? So there's a bunch more buttons right here that I have to click on. I have to look up, down, and so forth and so forth. Now imagine someone showcasing their gym, indoor playground, right? Airbnb, a house with 6, 7 rooms. It's gonna take forever, and for a technical person, this is just not efficient. And it's a lot of clicking around. It's not how you wanna be selling services, right? Now here, below that, I have a 360 virtual tour interactive video for you, right? Now the difference is this isn't video. I just press play, I lean back, I can enjoy the show. It's quick and easy, and it's interactive. Inside of this video, I can collect your lead. You can request an appointment. You can get pricing information. You can add a map, a survey. Imagine the possibilities, right? So I'm gonna press play right now. Let's check it out together. Now I'm watching this video right now, and as you can see, I can lean back, I don't have to click anything, and I can enjoy a beautiful, engaging, immersive experience of this living room right here, or let's say this house, right? And this video is gonna take me through the house. I can just lean back, I don't have to be technical, it's efficient, it's quick, and I can add anything interactive I like to this video as well, right? Does that make sense? So that's the power of our technology right here. I'm gonna pause the video for you for a second, and we're the only ones, by far the only ones on JVZoo bringing this ability to you right now. Now, in addition to that, we added e-commerce, we added gamification, we added rewards to our 360 virtual builder, but we are the first ones bringing interactive videos to this, right? There's nothing that you have on your hardware or that you bought in the past that has this feature. We are the only ones, and if you want something brand new, helpful, and unique that you can sell to your prospects and clients, this right here is a unique service that you can sell. Specifically right now with the pandemic, imagine indoor playgrounds, spa, restaurants, gym owners, right? Doctors' offices, they can all showcase their location with this beautiful video, and you can sell these videos, you can make them interactive, you can even upgrade them or upsell them and offer them lead generation and all the other features that you can add inside of an interactive video, right? So I hope that you can see the difference. Now I'm gonna give you a demo, right? Now the first half of the demo that I'm gonna switch to right now is gonna show you the brand new features that we have inside of our 360 virtual tours. The second half of the demo is gonna show you how easy it is, okay, with our technology to create interactive videos from your 360 virtual tours that you can sell immediately to prospecting clients, and therefore generate revenue and sell something that is actually helpful and something tangible that you get paid for right away. Okay, so thank you so much. Right now I'm going to switch over to the demo. Enjoy.